guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really, really well. Today I have an unboxing for you and it is Degustabox. I'm not feeling great, which is probably apparent from my voice, but I really wanted to get this undone, and the kids have been like craving me to get it ready, to get it open, because they want to see what's in it, and I can't undo it. But I thought I'll just do it, get it done, and then they can eat what's inside, because when it arrived a couple of days ago, Fox was very, very excited. Obviously there's going to be cats. There's Gary's tail for you. Gary, move your bum. So Degustabox is a monthly food snack subscription box. I think it's $11.99 or $12.99 a month. Every time anyone signs up, anybody in the world signs up, you get a code. If someone then uses your code, like if you give it to your mum or your sister or your nan or anyone, and they use the code, if it's used twice, you get a free box. This is a free box because you lot have been using my code, which is amazing. I'm very, very thankful for that. But it's not PR. So, yeah. We've got the bump. It comes by a courier. You get a text to say when it's going to come, and you get loads of leaflets and stuff. And so this is what it's telling us. This theme is just November. The theme is just November. On the back of it, it's got a recipe for pumpkin pie, which looks yummy. And then you get some, unbox this virtual surprise box and discover what's inside. Oh, it's like a QR code of discounts. There's some Nando's stuff, which means there's probably some Nando's stuff in it. And there's some Higgity baked generously, so I imagine these will be in it as well, or that's a 50p off. So let's jump in. It looks like this. The first thing I can see is a drink. Green sour cherry. That sounds amazing. I love cherry drinks. This is... we should get 2 items apparently. There should be another drink in there. I can't see it at the moment. But sour cherry and orangeade. Healthier and more natural and tastier soft drinks. Green drinks are all low, no sugar drinks and low calorie, providing healthier, more natural and tastier refreshment. Crafted using the finest ingredients, including the natural plant-based stevia, and bursting with real fruit juice to deliver maximum refreshing taste. So let's try it. It smells of nothing. It tastes alright. It's not like mega strong cherry flavour, but that's nice. I would drink that happily. It just doesn't smell of anything. Okay, next up, we've got some sauce made for veggies, miso and chili. Heinz. Perfect sauce to pair with your veggies. That looks nice. £2.50, which is ridiculous. All those cans were 99p each. Say goodbye to bland tasting vegetables. Introducing Made for Veggies, a range of expertly crafted sauces inspired by cuisines around the world, designed to bring an explosion of flavour. Enjoy both coating, cooking, dipping. So what was this? Chili and miso. This doesn't want me to open it. Let's try it. I'm just gonna do a little finger dunk to see. She says, oh, I got it. Oh, it smells good. It's not, I think it's probably, I'm pretty sure my taste buds aren't what they should be, but it's nice. It's not spicy, it's just, it's got like a Nando-ish taste to it. It's nice. I would definitely use that. I'd probably have my buffalo cauliflower that I may make and dip that in. That'd be really nice with that. What else? T-Rex, Rooibos blood orange tea in a tube. Fresh infusion, squeeze and infuse hot or cold. That's interesting. You should receive 1 of 5. So it's either lemon, turmeric and ginger, turmeric, black pepper and rhubarb. No, turmeric, black pepper, rhubarb and red currant, real Earl Grey or Rooibos and blood orange. I think this would probably be the one that I'd be most excited about. T-Rex's fresh infusions are made of just fruit, roots and leaves, 100% recyclable tubes made of cane sugar, not fossil fuel, so sustainable. Each cup is full of zingy flavours and natural goodness, so they taste as good as they smell. £3.85 each. And it says save £4, get a T-Rex infuser for £1 when you buy 3 tubes. And it's got the code now. I'll leave everything down below, but that looks quite interesting, so we'll see. You need a Hoover outside? Do you want to try one of these?
What is that?
A peanut butter cup.
Yum.
Yum. So this is Better peanut butter nut cups, $2.99. Gluten-free alternative to chocolate nut cups. So
I'm going outside.
I'm going to have a little bite and then I'm going to give it to the boy.
Mmm.
Good? You're going to go finish cleaning the car? Off you go then. Bye-bye. Yeah.
Take this.
You can take it with you, bub. Yeah, they're nice. You can kind of, you can tell they're not like full of sugar, if that makes sense. But they're nice. They would do in a pinch. I wouldn't ever choose these over a Reese's cup because I love Reese's cup. But they're nice. What are you? Mini donuts, chocolate orange donuts. Oh, I'm going to leave these to the end. I'll get the girls to come down and have a look. Lots of cardboard in the box today for some reason, like random bits of cardboard. Oh, here's another drink. So the other one we got was Orangeade. The font reminds me of like the Coca-Cola font. I don't know if they're owned by the same people. We've got more drinks. We've got Heineken Silver. What does that mean? So we've got 2 cans of Heineken Silver. £1 a can or 6 for a multi-pack. Heineken Silver is an extra refreshing lager with a lighter tasting and low bitterness profile. Made with natural ingredients and 4% alcoholic volume per one. I'm not drinking at the moment, so Ben will have those, but I'm sure he'll like them. We've got a pot noodle, which I know Ben had this before and he really likes it. Excuse me. Pot noodle. This is a Thai green curry. We've had this before. Everyone likes a pot noodle, don't they? Ben really likes these. You can also get katsu curry or chili chicken. Tomato and ricotta pesto. Filippo Berio. Sauce. So you got this one, or truffles. I'm glad we got this one because this one will get used. Made in Liguria, the birthplace of our founder and home of pesto. A range of 7 pesto sauces. Use only the finest ingredients, every one worthy of bearing the Filippo Berio name. Made with extra virgin olive oil, they boast superior taste. And these versatile pestos are a delicious addition to the kind of lunchtime dishes from pasta to the perfect panino. So that's nice. And then we've got another drink. Double Dutch, double lemon, bottled sunshine, combining a mic drop blend of lemon, lime and cassia. Our double lemon is perfect on its own, or to pimp your Pims or vamp your vodka. The lime brightens the summertime taste, with the cassia adds more piquancy, I don't know what that word means, and traditional. It's also reputed to aid digestion. Double Dutch's mixes are made with all natural ingredients, no sugars, no artificial sugars, and are low in calories. It looks nice. I'm sure Ben will like that again, or my mother-in-law will have that with the gin, I'm sure. Oh, the jelly bean factory. We've got gourmet jelly beans. £1.50. 36 mixed bean pouch. It's got all the different flavours in it. I'll get the girls to come down and try these as well. Let me get them. Oh, and then we've got some Nando's lemon and herb. Out of all of them, this is the one that I wouldn't want. I don't mind lemon and herb, but I like spice and so does Ben. So you can get lemon and herb, garlic and herb, or medium. We'd have prepared the other ones, but this will get used definitely. I don't ever go to Nando's and have this. This is what my mum orders when we go to Nando's, whereas I'll have the spicy or the medium or the hot. But that'll get used. Let me get the girls to come down and we'll taste the other ones. I've just done a broadcast on the Google and I can hear them. I heard someone shout, donuts! So they're now coming. So we've got these Halos chocolate and orange flavoured mini donuts, 7 moist orange donuts, coated with milk chocolate and golden bronze sprinkles. They're steamed, baked, not fried to give a lighter note. So they look amazing.
Donut! Oh, baby donut. Donut. Donut.
Are they good, Ari?
Chocolate orange.
A bright orange. Oh, they're good. And then
Chocolate orange flavour.
we're going to do a jelly bean taste test.
Oh.
They're no bad ones, it's not like the Bean Boozled. They're all nice flavours. These are amazing, aren't they? Very, very good.
Do a tiny bit so it can last forever.
You're going to do tiny bites so it lasts forever. Right.
Ow. Ow. That's not for
Okay.
me, yes.
Right, let me have a look.
So is this for me?
Tell me what flavours you've got. Love the green one.
I want one of those. Mango.
Mine was apple. What was yours?
Mango. Raspberry or strawberry?
Mango
or orange?
I think yours was passion fruit.
I'm having this one now. Can I have one?
Try them. They're the same.
I don't know what the white one is.
Coconut. What one you got now? That one's candy floss, Ari. That one, the blue one.
Oh, I want that one! Blackcurrant?
Blackberry.
Oh, close.
They're good. They're fun, aren't they?
And a candy floss.
Just eat them.
No, a candy floss.
There's a pink one. What's the pink one?
I got a pink one.
I dropped it. Bubblegum. Yeah, they're good. They're fun. We like them? Have to see if we can get the horrible ones to make Grandad try them at Christmas.
I don't really like jelly beans.
No.
I like the inside, but I don't like the outside.
No, Aria. Alright, well, thanks for watching. I think that was the best Degustabox we've had in a long time. Aria Primrose, put it back. Put it back, Ari, you little monster. No, you just had them. And it's nearly lunchtime. So thanks for watching. That's peanut butter cup. Thanks so much for watching. And I love you. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.